Imagine a single piece of equipment, small enough to fit in your backpack, cheap enough to cost less than a pair of sneakers, and powerful enough to completely reshape your body in just a few minutes a day. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Stick around, because the secret isn't in some fancy gym machine, it's in something you probably used back in elementary school. Let's be honest, when most of us think about jump rope, we picture kids on a playground or maybe boxers training for a fight. But here's the twist. Jumping rope isn't just child's play or something you see in Rocky movies. It's one of the most underrated full-body workouts you can do. We're talking about a cardio workout that burns serious calories, strengthens muscles, improves coordination, and even boosts your brain. And the best part? You don't need a gym membership, a bunch of space, or expensive gear. Just a rope and a little consistency. So in today's video, let's break down exactly how jumping rope every day can transform your body, from head to toe. Point 1. Burn calories like crazy. First up, the calorie burn. Jumping rope is insanely efficient. In fact, studies show you can burn around 10 to 16 calories per minute depending on your weight and intensity. That means a simple 15-minute jump rope session could torch as many calories as running a mile and a half. And unlike running, which can sometimes be tough on your knees and hips, jumping rope is lower impact if you do it right, staying light on your feet and landing softly. Here's a fun fact. Just 10 minutes of jump rope at a moderate pace equals about 30 minutes of jogging in terms of cardio benefits. So if you're busy, this is a total time saver. Point 2. Total body workout in one move. Unlike some cardio that just works your legs, jumping rope hits almost every muscle group. Your calves, quads, and hamstrings are firing with every jump. Your core is working overtime to keep you balanced. And your shoulders, arms, and even your back are powering the rope around. It's like combining strength and cardio in one move. This is why athletes, especially boxers, swear by it. It conditions their whole body without bulking them up too much. Point 3. Build coordination and agility. If you've ever tried jump rope after a long break, you know it feels awkward at first. Your timing might be off and the rope keeps smacking your legs. But here's where the magic happens. The more you practice, the more your brain and body sync up. You start to develop better rhythm, quicker reflexes, and sharper footwork. That improved coordination doesn't just make you better at jump rope. It carries over into sports, workouts, and even daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or just not tripping over your own feet. And if you like to dance or play sports, your balance and footwork will skyrocket. Point 4. Boost heart health and endurance. Every time you jump rope, your heart rate climbs fast. Do this consistently, and your cardiovascular fitness improves dramatically. Over time, you'll notice you don't get winded as easily walking upstairs, doing chores, or even during your regular workouts. It also helps improve circulation, blood pressure, and overall heart health. Think of it as giving your cardiovascular system a daily tune-up. Point 5. Strengthen your bones and joints. Here's something most people don't realize. Jumping rope actually helps strengthen your bones. The repeated impact stimulates bone density, which lowers your risk of osteoporosis as you age. But wait, isn't jumping bad for your knees? Not if you do it correctly. When you land lightly on the balls of your feet, you're actually training your joints to absorb impact better. It's protective, not destructive. Think of it as teaching your body to move the way it's designed to move. Point 6. Mental benefits you don't expect. Jumping rope isn't just about muscles and sweat. It forces you to focus, stay in rhythm, and coordinate your movements. That combination of cardio plus mental concentration actually fires up your brain. It's been linked to improved memory, sharper focus, and even stress relief. You can't think about your problems while trying not to trip. It's almost meditative. Point 7. It's fun and sustainable. This might be the most overlooked benefit. Fitness routines only work if you stick with them. And jumping rope has that childlike, playful vibe that makes it fun. Plus, you can mix it up with different styles. Basic jumps, high knees, double unders, crisscross, side swings. It never gets boring if you keep challenging yourself. And because the rope is portable, you can do it anywhere. Living room, backyard, park, even a hotel room if you're traveling. Alright, here's the big reveal. The transformation isn't just physical. Yes, your body will lean out, your legs will get toned, and your arms will tighten up. But the real change? It's in how you feel. Jumping rope daily gives you this crazy boost of energy, like flipping a switch on your mood. You'll notice you're more alert, less stressed, and way more confident in your own skin. It's not just about losing weight or building muscle. It's about stepping into a version of yourself that feels unstoppable. That's why so many people who commit to jumping rope every day say it completely changes their lifestyle. They're healthier, happier, and way more motivated in every area of life. So let's recap real quick. Jumping rope burns serious calories in a short amount of time. It works your entire body, not just your legs. It builds coordination, agility, and endurance. It strengthens your bones and protects your joints. And maybe most importantly, it boosts your brain, your mood, and your confidence. All of that from a rope that costs less than $20. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had to pick one, what's the number one reason you'd start jumping rope every day? Is it to burn fat? To get more toned? Or just to feel more energized? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be checking and replying to as many as I can. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health and fitness tips, and share this with a friend who's always saying they don't have time to work out. Because now they do. It only takes a rope and a few minutes a day. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now grab a rope and let's start jumping into a healthier, stronger, and happier you.